Welcome back people, this is tutorial number 2. Today we will be folding the origami frog. This is a beginner level model and we will be folding it from a single square sheet of paper. Also, you can make it jump by pressing its back. Let's go. Before we start, if your paper is too colored like mine, then you want the color that you want your frog to be to face down when you're starting. In this case, I want my frog to be light green, so I will be putting the light green side face down. The first step will be folding the paper in half. After that, take one of the top corners and fold it to the edge as shown. Using your fingernail, make a clear crease, then undo the fold. We will be repeating this for the remaining 3 corners. Once you're done with all 4 corners, your model should look like this. For the next step, place your fingers at the back of the paper and bring down the edges. Press the paper down to form a triangle. Rotate the paper and repeat on the other side. Now you will notice that we have 4 flaps. Take one and fold it to the top corner. And then fold it in half. The same goes for the remaining 3. Your model should now look like this. Place it on the table, grab the bottom corner, and fold it as high as it goes. Make sure to not rip it off. Then, take the side flaps and fold them to the middle. Now, fold the frog in half. Then grab the back part and fold it back upwards. And the model is finished. If you want to make it jump, simply press on its backside and release your finger on the table. Let's repeat again. Put your finger on its back and then release it on the table, not on its tail. Frogs don't have tails, but still. Thanks for watching, people. That was it for this one. For the next tutorial, I will teach you how to fold the origami crane. If you enjoyed this tutorial, consider giving it a like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to add anything, write it in the comments section below. Until then, happy folding!